When you choose our firm as your representative in a personal injury case, you get a lot. You get a lot of action and you get a lot of service, both right up front. First thing that happens is that we service you by coming to you or meeting with you at the best location possible. We immediately jump on your case and find out about the property damage, how we're going to get your car repaired or replaced. We deal with your medicals, finding out the best place to get you treatment, where you've gotten treatment, and what treatment you'll need into the future. We make sure your insurance company is paying the bills they're supposed to pay, and the other person who hurt you, that their insurance company is on notice and that they're ready to pay you the money that you deserve. There is a lot of things that go on in a personal injury case when you first start out, and those things need to fall into a certain order. You need to get to the right doctors. You need to get your car replaced or repaired quickly, and we do that all for you up front. And the best thing about it is that we do it all on a 100% contingency basis, which means we don't get paid unless we make money for you.